Hello friends and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa Coward. Today's video is going to be a clean and organized with me. I'm taking you inside of one of my deep, dark, and dirtiest secrets to show you what it takes to get things done and to show you that everyone has them, those dark places that they want to hide. So why don't you come on in and let's get started. Well, friends, we all have our little secrets, right? Well, this is one of mine. Get ready. Yeah, it's kind of a mess, huh? Oops, let's turn this over. Yeah, kind of messy. That's just drawer number one. Yeah, not much better, right? But this is the stuff that is for my nebulizer. You guys know how to pass my right. This is my bag of stuff that I carry around to floss and do all that kind of stuff. And I don't even know what all is back there, but we're going to find out today. And there's one more. Yeah, we got to do something about this. And that's why we're here today. So we're going to start up here. And we're going to make it a little better, as best we can. What do you say? I'm even going to line the cabinet or the drawers with my favorite Dollar Tree paper. I love those black roses. They're just about every place all over the house. Okay, now I'm going to spin you around. And these are the things that I had on hand. I didn't go out and buy anything. So we'll see if these will work. I don't know. I have some of these. These are clear. These are semi-clear. And then we have some bigger ones that are semi-clear. And then we have the regular ones. And some of these I'm going to have to clean up because they've been used before, like this one here. Okay. Oh, and then I have these. I don't know if the drawers are tall enough for these, but we'll see. Okay. So, how about we get started? What a mess. Come with me. So, friends, I'm going to begin the way that, we always do. I'm going to take everything out. Then I'm going to reline the paper. The paper's not bad. It's just not to my liking. I'll show you. See, it's not bad. And it's still pretty clean in there. But I just want to change it out. You know how we always like to change. And I may end up reusing some of these because of the size. But we'll see.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh. just be. Don't take it. Take it, just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please the maker. Then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about
Okay, my friends, you remember what it looked like before? Ta-da! Look, isn't that nice and neat? And I know what everything and where everything is. I've got my hand lotions, a few little meds, my oils for my diffuser, headset for when I'm watching YouTube on my phone, and Orlando's trying to sleep. This is great, y'all. I got this from, of course, Bed Bath Beyond. When you're having a hard time sleeping, just take a little of that oil, put it on my hands and then on my shoulders. Don't put it on my face, on that skin, but so you can smell it, and that lavender will knock you right out. And naturally, this is really, really good. This one is lavender and chamomile. It's really good. Okay, that's drawer number 1. Yay! Drawer number 2. This is where all the maintenance stuff is. You know, for flossing your teeth. That kind of thing. And look how much space there is in this drawer now. We have a deck of cards. Sometimes we play cards in bed, or we think we do. Okay. And finally, got my reading material over here. And, you know, a little Prilosec. Some throat lozenges. My pens for when I'm reading if I want to highlight something. And that's about it, guys. I mean, all that stuff that was in that drawer, in these drawers rather, just did not belong. Just did not belong. These I should probably toss, this too, but I wait to toss them. I don't flush them or anything anymore. You're really not supposed to do that. It ruins our systems, our water, and that kind of thing. And I have, if you're interested, a post on my blog that has all of the steps and how you're supposed to dispose of old medication. So I keep it down in that drawer because I know that that's old, until we have one of those days here where I think our CVS does it. But there are instructions in that blog post on my blog at clearissacoward.com if you're interested in knowing how to get rid of your old medications. You don't want to get into the wrong hands with your name and everything on the label. And you don't want to flush them down the toilet, which is what I used to do until I wised up. But anyway, this drawer is finished. Oh, eyeglass cleaner is over there. I'm trying to figure out if I didn't show you what everything was. I just started with this, so I can't brag about it. The focus factor, I'll let you know if that works. It's supposed to be brain power, that kind of thing. Who doesn't need that? So I thought I would try it. I had a coupon because this stuff is expensive. So I tried it. I just bought it 2 days ago, so we'll see how that goes. All right. I'm a happy camper. Mission accomplished. Yay. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed the video. I've shared with you one of my deep, dark secrets, and there are others that I'll be sharing with you as well. But we got it all cleaned up. We got it organized, and now it is just a beautiful little area that I'm proud to show off. And we will be doing that to others. In case you're wondering, this is a lifestyle channel, and I am a home enthusiast, and I'm here to share with you tips and tricks on keeping your home organized, clean, and cozy. We want you to live a cozy lifestyle no matter what space you live in. And so, friends, I'm going to ask you to follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. Also, check out my blog where it's all things organization all the time. Also, you'll find some very useful downloadable files there as well that can help you get started with your organization journey. A checklist, daily, monthly, weekly, and they are there for you to download for your pleasure. And friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that if you're not already a member of our community, that you will hit that subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, also tap that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. For all of my ride or dies, you know how I feel about you. I love you, I love you, I love you, and I am so grateful. And for my new subbies, I see you, and I'm so grateful that you're here. And with that said, I'm going to say leave you the way that I always do, and that's with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip.